Yo, first order up. We've got a Mr. Maple Donuts. This one is $7, going 4.5 miles.
Elizabeth?
Yeah. Thank you.
Thank you.
Why are they spamming me already? What is going on? I can't. I literally just left the store. What do you want? Ooh, all caps. Okay. Porch light is on. Confirm address. Blah, 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 blah. Please do not knock. It's early. And another paragraph. I can't read this one yet. Okay, this one says, thank you for being our dasher. Please don't knock again. We have wild dogs that'll wake the whole neighborhood. Thank you. Next order is coming in any minute now. So I'm doing a lap around town because there's just no orders. And I was hoping there were some orders on this side of town, but not looking like it. Looks like we're gonna be rocking 1 order per hour. Okay, they offered me something, finally. Like, this is the only thing that's come into my phone in the past 45 minutes. But it is a McDonald's, $7, going 7.5 miles. Just got another one. This is Taco Bell, $7, going 9 miles. Pretty much same situation. Black Rock Coffee, $11 and change, going 12 miles. That's like 3 in a row that are pretty much the same order. They just gave me another terrible one. This is 7-Eleven, $4, going 3.5 miles. There we go. We've been sitting here for like an hour, but we finally got something. This is an IHOP, $8, going 3 miles.
Are you picking up? Okay, it's not quite ready yet. Lenora? Thank you so much. Sorry about the wait.
Oh, today's gonna be terrible. That was like a 15-minute wait. Next up, we've got an Angels. This one is $7, going 2 miles.
Thank you very much.
Have a good day. Got this next order right away. This is Home Depot. This is our first, I think. This one's $18, going 6 miles, 4 items. I had to double check the order because I'm not trying to carry around like sheets of plywood or something that I can't even fit in my car. Got another IHOP order. Hopefully this one's not another 20-minute wait. This one's $11, going 6 miles.
Alright. You just sign down on the dotted line, then you're
Are these
good.
these cinnamon dippers?
Yes.
Is it really 70 pieces?
70? Oh, for the, I'm pretty sure that's for our, like,
Is that a catering thing?
Catering.
Oh, gotcha.
Yes.
Oh, yeah, you're right.
Yeah, catering 70.
I was like, 70, damn.
Yeah, it's a lot for catering.
Yeah. All right, this order was a lot quicker. Love that. This is Taco Bell, $11, going 6 miles. Okay, I'm not gonna put this in the video because it was super awkward and I feel like throwing up. But I complimented the lady that was sitting down there on her jacket or whatever because it was super shiny and it was cool. And she just stared at me like I was speaking a different language. Oh boy. Anyways, let's go drop this off. Next up, we've got a stack going to 2 different people. We've got Voodoo Donut and Champ Pizza, $14 going 6 miles. I just looked at the orders and the Voodoo Donut is a no tip. I'm pretty sure I've delivered to them a few times and yeah, they're bad. Thank you.
Thank you, Angie.
Thank you.
You're welcome. Have a good day.
You too. Yep, that's a no tip. But we did get a $9 tip from the Champ Pizza. Next up, we've got a shop and deliver for Safeway. This one's $8, going 3 miles, 2 items. Just got another shop and deliver for Safeway. This one is $9, going 3 miles, 4 items. Or was it 4 miles, 3 items? One of those. I'll let you know in a second. Okay, yeah, it is 4 items going 3 miles. Okay. Okay, my car still smells like pizza from earlier, so I guess that's what I'm gonna have to eat. So I'm gonna call it here. Current time is 10:11. Current total, we're at 86, and I believe I'm just waiting on 2 Uber tips, so I'll throw up the total whenever it comes up. But yeah, that's gonna be it for this video. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you in the next one. Bye.